Top 5 Print on Demand Niche Research, Episode 17. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, we're going to continue with the 17th episode of the Top 5 Print on Demand Niche Research of the week. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So our first niche for today is obviously the Mother's Day niche. Mother's Day is quickly approaching. It's I think the 9th, yes, May 9th. And here's the first design that I chose for you guys. Mom of two boys, and it shows this battery that it's almost running out. So it's a little bit funny, and it specifies here that it's for two boys, so you can swap two boys to maybe three boys and maybe one boy, or maybe two boys and one girl. So there's a lot of ways that you can make many designs with this niche, and that's why I decided to present this niche as the first of today's niche research. So we're going to quickly scroll down and see some statistics. So as you can see right here is trending, and it's priced $17.99, over 215 sales, 63 reviews, and as you can see the BSR has been falling and rising and falling and rising. And here are the keywords that you want to use if you want to target this niche. Here you go. So this one says mom of twins. I didn't even think about this. So if you see mom MEN, this is British English. So if you're targeting Americans, that's American English. It has to be MOM. So that's just one thing I wanted to put out there. And let me show you a different design in the same Mother's Day niche. This one says, God gifted me two twins. God gifted me two titles, Mom and Nana, and I wrote them both. And if you scroll down here, take a look at the niche, take a look at the statistics of our trend. As you can see, is up, and it's priced $15.99, over 114 sales. And if you scroll down, look at the BSR, and the keywords are pretty small. It just says gifted titles, Nana, Leopard, Rock, and that's it for this design. Moving on to the next Mother's Day design is Best Mom Ever. I just kind of think this Best Mom is kind of cliche, but some people still buy this. I really don't know why. Anyway, I am guessing maybe it's the design. The design is nice. It features this watercolor, Best Mom Ever. So you can use this for Mother's Day or even birthdays or whatever event you want. It's 1307, 139 sales, and over 2 reviews. So if you scroll down, you see the overall trend is up, and here are the keywords that you can use. If you keep scrolling, let's take a look at other designs. Well, this design has been placed on phone cases, has also been placed on uh, pop socket. So I think there's one last Mother's Day. There you go. So this one is for the shepherd mom. This is for moms who own shepherd as pets, and you can also swap these shepherds maybe for a pug mom, and you place a pug instead of a shepherd on this sunset background. So that's how you can do it. You can swap, even it must not be a dog. You can even put a cat mom, you know. So that's how you can make hundreds of designs using just one niche and using just one design, which is that sunset background right there. So moving on to the second niche for before we go ahead, let's talk about the price. Price $16.95, or over 135 sales, 24 reviews, and the BSR. We scroll down, overall trend is up. Look at that BSR right there. I think it has already touched one. It's looking like it already touched one. So it's actually doing very nice. And here are the keywords that you can use. And from the same brand, maybe on a different type of shirt. Oh, pounds. So I'm guessing maybe it's in the European market or so. So that's it for the Mother's Day niche. We're moving on to the second niche of today. Second niche of today is this Black Lives Matter shirt. So I really don't know what is going on in this world, guys, or in America to be specific. It wasn't a few days ago that a black man was murdered by a white cop, and less than 48 to 24, less than 24 to 48 hours, another one. It just keeps going and it just keeps going. I'm wondering if they'll have to use two hands because the names are obviously too many. If they have to keep on with the way this killing is going, I'm sure they'll need another a second arm to fill in their names. So I keep praying every day racism will one day come to an end. Although I know it's going to be a difficult task because racism has been inscripted in American history. So wiping off racism completely, I know it can be done, but we're going to take baby steps and we'll finally arrive there. So that's my take on this. This is not a political class. I just wanted to put out my thoughts out there, and we're going to go back to what we're talking about. So it's priced 19.99, 165 sales, over 12 reviews. So as you can see, like I told you guys, this keeps the share keeps trending and trending. As you can see, the BSR keeps dropping and dropping because people keep buying and buying, protest upon protest every now and then. The same thing every day, killings, killings, killings. I really don't know what to say anymore, guys. It's really disheartening. I'm praying for the families of those who have been hurt, of those who are victims. I pray every day, even though some of them, the the victims involved were on the wrong, but on the other hand, there are some police officers who really had no reason to shoot, especially as you were not sure if, like the last case that I watched on TV before I started recording, someone he was on the phone. It's not like anyway, maybe it was in the dark and you're like, oh, maybe he's holding a gun to his head. You know what, guys? I don't want to talk about this. Let's keep going. So here's the keywords. Here are the keywords, and here from the design from the same brand. Okay, so that's it for this niche, the Black Lives Matter niche. And I'll be very careful if you want to get into this niche. Don't use anything like Black Lives Matter because even BLM, the word BLM has been trademarked. Also, Black Lives Matter has been trademarked. So you have to be careful when you're venturing into a niche like this. As you can see the keywords here, you see nothing like BLM or Black Lives Matter. It just says shirt names, Black Lives. Oh yeah, there's Black Lives Matter, but you really, 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 really need to be careful. Maybe this t-shirt is for um the person who trademarked the Black Lives Matter. Maybe this is their shirt, but I really, really recommend that you don't use Black Lives Matter, especially as a word together, because right here it has been spaced out. It's a space out to black, space out to lives, and space out to matter. So you should really be careful if you're entering this niche. Moving on to the next niche is I don't rise and shine, I caffeinate and hope for the best. It's a kind of motivational niche for those who like coffee drinkers, and it's also funny. So look at this. Wow, look at this. It just dropped off right there to BSR1, and it has just stuck right there. So it's been selling consistently, as you can see, over 226 sales, 456 reviews, priced at 14.95. And here are the keywords that you can use. And let's scroll down and see other niches. Oh, it's the same one, maybe on a different shirt. So that's it for this niche, motivational niche, also funny niche. Moving on to the next niche. Next niche of today is Doge. I know you guys have heard about Bitcoin, the how it dropped and many people are buying, and many people as it became popular, many shirts were produced, and this is one of them. This one is priced 19.99, over 98 sales, 32 reviews, and here is the BSR. So it has been dropping and rising, just how the popularity of Dogecoin has been dropping and rising. Oh, did I say Bitcoin? I hope I didn't say Bitcoin in the beginning, guys. It's Dogecoin. Pardon me there. So it's Dogecoin. Dogecoin has been rising and falling, rising and falling. That's how the popularity of the shirt has been rising and falling. So here are the keywords that you can use. cryptocurrency, crypto, Dogecoin, and all the like. And let's take a look at other designs. This one is on a hoodie and phone case pop sockets. So moving on to second to the last niche of the day. This one actually is the fifth niche. This fifth niche is Cinco de Mayo. Cinco de Mayo is also quickly approaching. Mexican feast. It says let's fiesta. It's quite fun shirt, very bright, rainbowy, and very inviting shirt. So it's priced at 15.95 over 190 sales. 58 reviews, and as you can see, the trend is up. And here is how the BSR looks like. It's been selling consistently, and here are the keywords that you can use. Moving on to the last or the bonus, because it's not actually a niche, it's just my bonus niche. The bonus niche for today is this cat, very huge cat, and it says chunk. I don't even know what chunk means. If you guys know what it means, please let me know in the comment section below. It says, "Oh Lord, he coming." So I'm sure it's a cat. Maybe it's a cat's name that is chunk, or the cat is chunky. I'm not really sure what chunk means, but it's been selling well. Price at 16.95 over 218 sales. You know, this is how some maybe because of the lockdown and things like that, um, homeowners or the owners of the cats are back at home. So I'm sure they feed the cats always, and now the cats are looking like this. So here's the shirt is priced 16.97 over 213 sales, 38 reviews, and wow, look at this BSR right here. Look at this BSR, guys. So it just really dropped right here. Like there's a great popularity in this shirt, and it just dropped to 1. Wow, that's really interesting, guys. So here are the keywords that you can use: cat memes, chunkiest, chunky. So it's a chunky cat. So this is funny, retro style, and all the like. And there you go, guys. That retro and sunset design again. This is a very, very popular design, guys. I'm sure most of the niches that sell go with this retro sunset design. If you've noticed, I don't know what it is about it, but it's a really, really great addition to your t-shirt. If you want to brighten up your t-shirt, especially a black t-shirt, it really works with dark t-shirt. And this is the same design on a hoodie. This one looks like a t-shirt, and this one is different. It says a fine boy, he chomix a heckin chonka. So it seems like it's a meme. I'm not really sure what the meme is about, but oh Lord, he coming and mega chonka. So it's different sizes, as you can see, it's different sizes of cats. A fine boy when he was very slim, and right here is oh Lord, he coming. So yeah, it's a little bit funny. Um, but it's definitely not healthy for the cat, so cat really needs to lose that weight. All right. So guys, that's it. That's all I have for you today. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about Premium Demand and KDP, this is a channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you in the next one.